Everyone right now is saying web design is dead. And honestly, they're kind of right. The old way is totally dead. But here's what nobody is talking about. There's a new version of web design that's honestly kind of lazy, but it's paying people $10,000 a month. And the weird part, the people making the most money right now, they're not charging $5,000 to $10,000 for websites. They're doing something way simpler, and it stacks. Stick with me for about 10 minutes because I'm gonna break down exactly what this model looks like and why it works even if you've never built a single website in your entire life. No coding, no experience. This is complete beginner friendly. Back in the day, web design agencies had this nice, comfortable middle ground. $3,000 websites, $5,000 websites, even $10,000 websites if you were good enough. And everyone just kind of competed there. You'd post in Facebook groups, get a few leads, land one of the clients, build their site, collect the check, rinse and repeat. But today, the middle ground, it's basically gone. AI didn't kill websites. They killed the middle. AI tools like Framer, Wix, or Lovable, they've completely commoditized the $500 to $3,000 websites. Any business owner with a credit card in 20 minutes can get a good enough website that's built by a robot. And on the other end of the market, big agencies are charging $20,000, $50,000, even $100,000 because they sell strategy, branding, and full-blown digital ecosystems. The middle, the $3,000 to $8,000 freelancer, that person's getting squeezed from both sides. And if this sounds familiar, keep watching. And real quick, I'm not here to sell you any high ticket coaching program or some $2,000 course. My wife, Brittany, and I built a 7-figure online business, and the whole thing is about giving real stuff away for free. So all I ask is if this video gives you good ideas, go ahead and hit the like button, share with a friend that needs it as well, and comment free course below in the comment section. And when you do, I'll send over my beginner friendly training, my exact templates, my scripts, my systems, and live bootcamp to help you get your first client and keep them paying every single month. No fluff, no gatekeeping, just the real stuff that works, even if you're starting from zero. So here's where this opportunity actually lives this year. There are really only 2 ways to play the web design agency game now. I call it the low end road and the high road. You need to pick between budget friendly low end websites, $500 to $1,000, and sell them to the masses, or you need to go high end, 10,000 plus, $20,000, $30,000, $40,000, $50,000 websites. On the budget side of things, you're building websites as fast as you can using AI and templates. You're charging anywhere from $500 to $1,000 up front. And then later in this video, I'm gonna teach you how to keep them paying $300 to $500 per month. So again, the key here to win with these budget-friendly sites is going to be volume and systems attached to the back end of them. You're not crafting this digital masterpiece. You're building fast, replicating what works, and moving on. It's got a very low barrier to entry, it's got quick wins, and it's totally scalable. This is perfect for beginners. Now going to the complete opposite side of the spectrum, we're talking high ticket. And this is where you're gonna package an entire beautifully designed custom website with strategy on top. This is where you're talking $10,000, $25,000, even $50,000 clients for complete rebrands, custom development, and ongoing retainer relationships. This is big paydays, and you need the ability and experience to close premium clients. And for most people getting started, this is definitely not the road you want to choose. Here's the problem that most web design agencies face right now. They're trying to charge somewhere in the middle, $3,000, $5,000, $8,000. And when you're in that zone, you're not cheap enough to be an easy yes, and you're not premium enough to justify the price on authority alone. You're not premium, you're not cheap, you're basically invisible. You're competing against cheap AI tools on one end and big agencies with established brands on the other. And you're basically losing to both. I've had my online business for over a decade, and when you plant yourself in the middle and try to compete in the middle, you basically are dead in the water. You just get squeezed from both ends and you end up disappearing. That was me for the longest time, and I still see it every single day in the DMs I get. People are working hard, they're doing good work, and they're still not getting consistent clients. And the reason almost always comes to this. They are stuck competing in the middle. And be honest, are you stuck in the middle right now? All right, so let's dive deeper onto both paths because context really matters. The appeal of low ticket is obvious. It's easy to start, it's got fast to deliver, and you can serve a lot of people all at once. With AI tools like Lovable or HighLevel, you can build a solid 10 to 20 page website that's optimized for SEO in less than an hour. But the trap that most fall into, they think low ticket means low value. They race to the bottom on price, they compete on Fiverr, and they end up making $15 an hour. That is not the model that I am talking about. The smart low ticket play isn't about selling cheap websites. It's about what you attach to these websites. It's about the outcomes that you get for these clients. Now let's move to the high ticket. Sounds amazing. $10,000 project, you work with 3 clients, you're already at $30,000 in a single month. But here's what gurus don't tell you. High ticket web design is a different business entirely. You're selling strategy, you're not just executing. You need a proven track record. You need the experience to sell these high ticket websites on these sales calls. And the worst part is you need to be okay with starting from zero every single month without any reoccurring income coming in. And to me, that's just not the business model that I want for me and my family. I don't want the stress of having to find new clients every month. I want reoccurring income coming in every single month and having complete freedom of my time, which is what we have. Again, it's inconsistent, it's stressful, and unless you have a really good, strong referral network or a personal brand, it's a grind. So what is this magical third option? The one that most people miss. I want to tell you where this model clicked for me personally. Brittany and I built The Savvy Couple from scratch. We started our blog in 2016. We figured out how to make money online. And then we finally made our first $50 online on month 9. And then 2 weeks later, I went to Brittany and asked her if I could quit my job to go all in on our online business. Within a couple years, I grew it to multiple 6 figures, allowing Brittany to quit her teaching job. And then from there, we grew it from multiple 6 figures to 7 figures. But I spent a lot of time doing the things the hard way, launching products, chasing one-time sales, starting every single month at zero again. It felt like we were running on a hamster wheel. Every launch felt like life or death. Then we started our marketing agency selling websites. And I asked myself, what would it look like if I didn't have to start from zero every single month? What if instead of selling a one-time website for $3,000 to $500, I got paid every single month? I didn't want big wins. I wanted consistent wins that I could stack on top of each other month after month. And that shift from one time to reoccurring changed our life. And this is the same shift that I see separating those people who are building real freedom from the ones who are getting stuck left on the hamster wheel. So here's the model. Instead of charging $3,000 to $5,000 once for a single website, what if you charge them $297 to $597 a month? And what if every single month that money just kept coming in over and over? You're not rebuilding from scratch every month. You're not chasing down new clients every 30 days. You're building a system once and it runs. And here's how it works in practice. First, you build out a website using a template, not from scratch, not hand-coded, a proven template for a specific type of business, like a plumber, a dentist, a real estate agent. Second, you attach a backend system to that website. Things like automated follow-up messages, missed call text back, review automation, text remarketing. Suddenly, you're not just selling a website. You're selling a system that actually gets these customers more money into their business and makes their life so much easier. And now the business owner doesn't think about the website as a monthly expense. They think about it as the thing that brings them leads every single week. That's a completely different outcome and a different value conversation. And it's one that you can win pretty easily. Now, I want to be clear. I'm not here to sell you one specific software, but I do want to be honest at what makes this model work at scale. The reason this system is so repeatable, and frankly, why it's a lot lazier than the traditional website design agency, it's because of the all-in-one platform that you use to create the system once and deploy it for multiple clients. The tool is called HighLevel, and it lets you build a full client system, websites, CRM, automation, review management. You can literally create it once and then you duplicate it and clone it for the next client. And you do that time and time again. You spend maybe 1 to 3 hours setting up client A's system. Client B, an hour, maybe less. Client C, you're getting faster every single time. And every single one of them is paying you $297 to $497 per month. You're not just a web designer anymore. You're an entire digital operating system. And here's the thing, local businesses are desperate for this. The average plumber, chiropractor, contractor has terrible website, no follow-up system, and zero automations. You're not competing with other agencies. You're solving a problem that nobody else is solving at this price point. All right, let me make this real for you for a second. $297 per month times 10 clients, you're at $2,900 per month in monthly recurring revenue every single month. Add 10 more clients, now you're at almost $6,000 per month. 25 clients, now you're at that magical $10,000 plus per month in recurring revenue every single month. That's financial freedom. That's cash flow into the bank for your family. And the best part is you don't have to start over every single month. It's impossible to have a slow January and then you panic into March. That income, it's just there. You're building and stacking every single month. Now, do you need 35 clients right out the gate? Obviously not. 5 clients is $1,500 a month. That's a car payment covered. That's grocery bills or a big chunk for rent. And then every new client you add from there, that number continues to go up permanently if you do a good job. Here's why this model is particularly powerful right now. AI has made building new websites faster and cheaper than it ever has been before, which means if you're still trying to compete on design alone, you're going to lose every time. AI can now save these business owners time and make them so much more money by sending out personalized follow-up text messages to customers who just called and maybe they didn't get an answer. AI can also manage the reputation management system for these business owners and get them from 10 reviews up to 50 in just a few months. That's the system layer. That's what you're selling. You're selling the outcome. Your goal isn't to just build websites. It's to build income that doesn't reset. That's the outcome that you're selling these business owners. You're going to be saving them time and making them more money, not by just creating them a website, but by giving them an entire operating system around it. The businesses winning right now aren't the ones with the prettiest websites. They're the ones with the fastest follow-up, the most reviews, and the clearest customer journey. You can be the person who builds that for them, and you can build it once. Charge monthly and focus on adding that next client instead of rebuilding for the last one. Now, I know what some of you might be thinking right now. Kelan, this sounds incredible, but I'm not technical. I'm just a beginner. I have no experience doing this. The good news is you don't need any experience to do this. These platforms are built for non-developers. You don't need to know how to code. If you can use your smartphone and learn drag and drop tools, you can learn this. But Kelan, I don't have any clients. Well, neither did I when I started. Your first client is probably much closer than you think. A local business that you already use, a friend who owns a restaurant, or your dentist. You don't need a fancy portfolio. You just need one good case study. Go get your first client for free or give them a huge discount. Document the results, document the journey, then you have your proof and confidence. But Kelan, I don't even know where to start. And that's definitely an honest question, and I respect it. And that's exactly why we put together our free training that I mentioned earlier. It walks you through the exact system, step by step, with templates and scripts that you can use right now. Just comment free course below and I'll make sure to get it to you. Now I want you to imagine something for a second. It's Monday morning. You don't have an alarm going off at 6 a.m. for the job that you dread. You open up your phone and instead of starting from zero, you're already at $3,000, $5,000, maybe $8,000 for the month. Because while you were sleeping, your client's systems were working. That's not fancy. That's what recurring revenue actually feels like. Brittany and I built our businesses to give our family that feeling. Complete freedom. We wanted to be home for our kids. We wanted complete control of our schedule. We wanted income that didn't disappear when we took a week off. And I'm telling you, this model, the one I just walked you through, this is the one that you want to create. It's the most accessible path to any kind of financial freedom that I've seen in a long time. You don't need a massive audience. You don't need to invest in a $10,000 course. You just need a system, a few clients, and a belief that it's actually possible. And we're living proof that it is. And I know for a fact that you can build this too. So here's the next step. If you want my exact system, all the templates, scripts, live bootcamp for landing your first client, and step-by-step system to get you started, comment free course below right now. I'll send everything over to you so you can get started today. We talk a lot about building real online income without burning out or sacrificing your family time. If you got value from this video, please hit the like button, subscribe so you never miss another video on how to build online income and reach financial freedom. And if you want a more in-depth video on how to make money with AI this year, make sure you check out this video now. I'll see you over there. Peace. God bless.